Hey Rackstars, Diego here. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily monitor the status of your WisGate Edge Lite 2 version 2 through the built-in breathing light. Log into your gateway using the web UI. Then click on the Extension tab located on the left side and click on the button View Available Extension. This will redirect you to the Documentation Center. Go to WisGateOS, then WisGateOS 2 Extensions, and click on Breathing Light. Then click on Download the Breathing extension. Go back to your gateway and click on Add New Extension. Click on Choose File and then browse for the file you just downloaded. Then click on the Open button. Now, click on the Add Extension button. Wait a couple of seconds for the extension to be installed. Go to the Extensions tab. The Breathing Light extension is now in your library. Click on the Launch button. It will show you the configuration page. Toggle on the Enabling Breathing Light and then select All for mode. There is a default configuration where when working normally, it is identified by a blue light and the warning light is red, but you can customize both. When you are happy with the configuration, click on the Save Changes button. We hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you want more of this, comment down below and stay tuned.